Hello everybody, and today I'm doing a video on this tool that I fabbed up that I use to check valve runout. And you can see it's a fairly simple tool. It's just some like some 2-inch flat bar welded together up to make a stand, and I have two wrist pins welded together on the stand to hold the valve stem square while you spin the valve and check it with the pointer on this dial indicator. The dial indicator is screwed to this magnet base here with a swivel on it. See? So it's fairly basic. Valve runout. You can check car valves or motorcycle valves on this tool. I mainly do motorcycles, but I have checked some car valves on here. And valve runout, it's not going to be the same on every engine. On this head that these valves for the service limit for valve runout is thousands, 1,000s. I go up to 1,500. I won't go any over that. Over 1.5, I mean, you can hear a motorcycle popping as you have too much runout. What's going to cause runout? Runout essentially is a bent valve. I've heard of valves bending from getting too hot. Typically, as far as I know, what's going to cause a bent valve is it's going to hit the piston hitting the valve. You float a valve, piston run up and hit it, it's going to bend it by some amount. And a slight bend is going to cause valve runout. Let me see if I can give you a quick demo here. Let me set my prop up. Okay, see if I can give you a demonstration here. You lay the valve in between the wrist pins and the pointer. The pointer, it points directly on the seat area of the valve is where the pointer touches. And zero the dial indicator out there. See, what I'm doing here is I'm rotating with two fingers. I'm holding the valve into the groove in between the two wrist pins that holds it square, and I'm rotating the head of the valve, the dial indicator pointer up against it, and you can see, I don't know if you can see the needle on there, the dial indicator's not moving any. Well, it moves some as I'm not bump it with my finger, it moves, but actually that's zero. No run out on that one. Let's check another one. Zero that out. Okay. On that one, you see we got some run out on that one. Make sure we zero. Make sure it's zeroed out. It's right at 1,000ths on that one. Right at 1,000ths run out. Let's see. Let's check this one. Okay, 1.5 on that one. I'll still use it. The engine's still quiet, fairly quiet. I mean, on my motors, with 1.5 thousandths run out, my motors will still show a 2% leak down. And you won't hardly do better than 2% leak down on a leak down test. I can get 2% leak down even with 1.5 thousandths run out. Let's check this one. Okay. Yeah, this one you can see has nearly 3 thousandths. Well, it's right at 2.5 thousandths run out. I will not use this valve. I won't use that one. But anyway, I mean, I won't show you, I won't do this video showing me checking all of the valves. It's just to give you a quick demo of my tool and how I use it. And hopefully you can get a tool. I've seen this a tool similar to this. I don't remember where I got this idea from, but you can look at mine and maybe this will help you with your setup if you want to check your own valves. Thanks for watching my video.